Yesterday we are talking about the plastics. There I told for you which are recycled, which are not recycled. Okay, means recycling codes. I explained for you. That is how many recycling codes we are having? 7 recycling codes we are having. Recycle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In that the first one is PET, second one is high density polyethylene, third one polyvinyl chloride, fourth one low density polythene, fifth one polypropylene, sixth one polyester, and others we discussed. Now by using I want to give you, yesterday I gave 1 or 2 examples for you. In that yesterday itself I told some can be recycled, means we can I told no, we will separate all the code numbers that recycling 1, 2, 3, 4, and some will be recycled and some cannot be recycled, I told for you. So which can be recycled and which cannot be recycled, here are some examples I gave, but this you have to write in your classwork. Try to understand in this which can be recycled and which cannot be recycled. When we are taking plastics toys, they can be recycled. Okay, plastic chair, this is also recycled. Then ballpoint pen, this can also be recycled. Then telephone instrument cannot be, not recycled. Then toothbrush, this is also not recycled. Okay, cooker handle, this is also not recycled. Plastic container, this can be recycled. Plastic bottle, this also can be recycled. Try to understand some of the examples what I gave here. Plastic toys can be recycled, means we can recycle them and we can make a new toys from this one. Then plastic chairs also can be recycled. Ballpoint pen also can be recycled. But telephone instruments, toothbrush, cooker handle cannot be recycled. Why we cannot recycle? Why we can recycle this and why we cannot recycle this? After this example, I will discuss with you. Then plastic containers can be recycled. Plastic bottle also can be recycled. But when we are coming to carry bag, this cannot be recycled. Tumbler, yes, this can be recycled. Electric switch cannot be recycled. Plastic checkers, this can be recycled. Plastic plates cannot be recycled. And plastic bucket can be recycled. Some of the examples which here we can read. This will come in exams. We will give few examples and ask you to write which one will be recycled and which one will not be recycled. Here carry bags. Yesterday itself I told for you what is what will happen if you are using plastic carry bags. If you are using plastic carry bags, what will happen? It will block the manholes. It takes many years to decompose. Mostly they will not. Years over also. If you are taking any natural fibers, they will be decomposed. But we are taking any synthetic fibers, they never will be decomposed in the soil. You have to understand. So carry bags are very harmful. They cannot be recycled. Tumblers can be recycled. Electric switches can be recycled. Plastic chapels can be recycled. Plates cannot be recycled. Buckets can be recycled. Now, why few are here when we are seeing these examples? Few can be recycled and few cannot be recycled. Why few objects can be recycled and why few objects cannot be recycled? For this, let us see. We are having two types of plastics. We are having two types of plastics. What is that means? One is thermoplastic. One is thermoplastic. The other one is thermosetting plastic. One is thermoplastic. The other one is thermosetting plastic. Here in the thermosetting plastic, what will happen means the objects can be heated and remolded into another object. Here you can see in the thermoplastic, you can see that the object can be, when we are trying to heat it, just I told you recycled and not recycled. This thermoplastic comes under recycled objects, means when we heat them, they will melt into liquid form and again we can make a new substance or a new object from that one. They comes under the thermoplastic. Here, thermosetting plastic which cannot be heated or remolded are called as thermosetting plastic. Here what will happen to this thermosetting plastic means if I am trying to heat this plastic also, it will not melt. It will not. Just when I try to burn a thermosetting plastic, what will happen means it will just get heats up or it changes its color into pale yellow or something, but it will never get melted, or we cannot make any new substance from this one. This is a very hard thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic can be recycled. Which one is thermoplastic or thermosetting plastic is eco-friendly to environment means we will say that usage of thermoplastic is very good for the environment than thermosetting plastic. Why? Because if I using thermoplastic, I can heat it and I can what I can do, I can get back it again. But when I am taking thermosetting plastic, it is not possible. Why it is happening like this? This will melt and we can get a new substance, but this will not. Why? What is happening for this means, as I said for you, polymers. Once again I am remembering. Polymers. In polymers we are having mono substances. Mono means single unit. Okay, mer, a single unit. Poly means many. Many monomers joined together, we will say that as a polymer. Here also what is happening means, we are taking a single polymers and joining together. Okay. Then if I am taking this one, it is easy for me to reheat. This is called as a linear arrangement. This is called as linear arrangement. But coming to thermosetting plastic, here it is cross-linked. It is cross-linked. You can see that it is the monomers all together are cross-linked with another down. You can see that. For example, I will tell for you. If you are taking one stick in our hand, it is very easy to break. Is it correct or not? If I am taking 4 sticks in my hand and if I am trying to break them, is it possible for me? No, it is not possible. In the same way, here this monomers joined in a linear pair. So if I heat this one, it will melt and again I can get back plastic from this one. But here this is a cross-linked. This is cross-linked arrangement. So it is very hard, like when in our hand 2 to 3, 4 sticks are there, means how it is difficult, like that it will be. So linear arrangement, cross-linked arrangement. Okay, because of that, this we can heat it, this we cannot heat it. Example of this thermosetting plastic are your pens, foam, okay, then plastic, some toys, etc. comes under this. What is that? Thermoplastic. Very easy for us to heat them and get back the thing. But cross-linked. Here we can see that. Just now I told for you. Telephone box. Okay. And mummy will use in kitchen, no? Wooden what is that? Pans for keeping dosas, and our pressure cooker handles. The handles of cooker and pans are made with this thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastics are of two types. They are bakelite and melamine. I'll talk about this bakelite and melamine. This bakelite and melamine are the strongest thermosetting plastic. In our house, computer cabins are there, computer keyboard is there, then TV cabins are there, then telephone boxes are there. These all, the kitchenwares which we are using with plastic, these all are made with this bakelite and melamine. They are very hard and thickest one, so we cannot we cannot mold this one. Please try to understand how many types of plastic we are having. Two types: thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic means the objects which can be heated and remolded are called as thermosetting plastic. They are in a linear arrangement. This answer is 4 marks answer. Try to understand. This is in linear arrangement, and example are pen, comb, plastic toys, etc. Thermosetting plastic which cannot be heated or remolded are called as thermosetting plastic. They are cross-linked. Example: telephone box, handles of cooker, bakelite. Example: thermosetting plastics are in the form of bakelite and melamine. The handles and all will be very thick. We can heat them, but they will just change the color. They will not. And second question, 2 marks question was there. Thermoplastic and when we are taking thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic, which one are eco-friendly for us means we will say that when we are taking these two, thermoplastic is eco-friendly than thermosetting plastic. Why? Because we can reuse this one. We cannot reuse this one. This one will melt. This one will not melt. So thermoplastics are eco-friendly than thermosetting plastic.